Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll talk about one of the sensors in the car. The entire engine performance is ruined if its problem, however small, VVTi Sensor. In this video, you will know VVTi Sensor key, where they live, how it works, what is the problem when it is wasted, why is the problem, how to open it safely. Watch the video at the end. Whether the mechanic or the car owner, everyone will benefit. What is VVTi Sensor? This is the full name of VVTi Sensor, Variable Valve Timing Intelligent Sensor. The main function of this sensor is the position of the camshaft is reported to the ECU. The ECU makes decisions using this information. When to open the engine valve, and when will it close. Simply put, VVTi Sensor is the eye of the ECU. If your eyes don't look right, the engine will never work properly. Role of sensor with VVTi system. Many people think VVTi Sensor and OCV are one thing, but it is a misconception. VVTi is a complete system, and the VVTi Sensor is an important part of that system. The order is: VVTi Sensor informs ECU of camshaft position. ECU calculates. ECU instructs OCV. OCV oil pressure controller. A cam timing is advance or retard. The beginning of this chain is the VVTi Sensor. Where is the VVTi Sensor? VVT sensors are usually cylinder head, next to the camshaft, close to valve cover or timing side. The space in the car can be a little different, but it will always be near the camshaft. How does VVTi Sensor work? When the engine starts, camshaft keeps rolling, the VVTi Sensor send to ECU. CU sees this signal and understands how much engine load, how much RPM, how much speed. Then the ECU decides the valve will open earlier rather than later. The result: smooth engine, a good pickup, a low fuel consumption, low emission. What are the symptoms when the VVTi Sensor is damaged? VVTi Sensor is usually seen when bad. Check engine light is on. The car is too late to start. Shake in acceleration. Power is reduced. Increased fuel costs. The engine stalls sometimes. Sometimes this problem, mistakes are made when thinking of fuel pump or OCV problems. Why VVTi Sensor problem? The main reasons for the VVTi Sensor failure are not changing engine oil on time, dirty or low-quality oil, extra engine heat, loose or cut sensor wire, water or dust, loss of long-term use. Remember, if the engine oil is right, the VVTi Sensor is good for a long time. How to open the VVTi Sensor? Before opening, of course. Turn off the engine. Open the battery negative terminal. The opening phase. Open the electric connector of the sensor. When you open one or two bolts, the sensor will come out. Don't force. The O-ring can be ruined. Can be cleaned again. If the sensor is damaged, replacing is the best solution. A last words and call to action. A small VVTi sensor, but depending on it, full engine performance.